instrument. So, first thing I'm going to start with is some sand. I'm going to have this because it's going to have some decorations inside. So, I put some in. And then next, I'm gonna try to do with some balls. So maybe it's gonna be like a heavier noise. So I'm gonna pick some colors. So let's try how the sound works. I think that's pretty good. And then I'm gonna maybe try some, like a little of macaroons, but not a lot, because it can be a very, very heavy sound. And I think that's pretty good. And then I'm gonna put some beans I have here. And I'm gonna just put a few in. Let's try how this works now. It's going pretty good. And then I'm gonna put some rice in. Just careful not to drop it. A little more. And then try to make. And I think that's really, really good. I'm just gonna put one or two more balls. And I think that's really good. But just a little more macaron, just for it to be more heavier. And I think that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna start with some drawing outside with some markers. I'm gonna start with some little hearts. I'm gonna do with a little color pink. It's gonna be some hearts there. Something like that. It doesn't really show, but I'm gonna do more and more colors. So it's gonna, like this. And I'm gonna make lots of hearts around it. Like blue, neon, maybe a little orange, maybe a bigger pink. Gonna look something like this, maybe more green. And you're just gonna put lots of hearts around it. And you can make any type of designs. So, and then when you're done, and I just like in the end to do a little smiley face. It's gonna look something like this. So, like this. And yeah, and that's how you make an instrument. And then you just start like that. So, it's gonna sound like that. Thank you.